Happy Monday morning, it's Zalunardo here with Remax West. Happy Easter from the past, and also happy Easter to our Orthodox Christians that just celebrated over the weekend. Some exciting news in my land assembly, land development section of my business. We finally came to a plan that's going to be approved by the city, which is pretty exciting. I'll give you guys a quick chronological growth of the project, which was pretty cool. We bought our first lot with intentions to buy the second, and then ultimately we bought the third. If we keep going, we might buy the fourth in the back here, but I really want to sell the project, I gotta be honest. So ultimately, this is the initial project. It was just a block of townhouses, which is cool, which was sustainable. I could have done that and my real estate career at the same time. And then when we bought the third lot, we went to some ambitious project, which obviously we all want to do. It's a beautiful 14-unit townhouse project with a road shaped as a hammerhead. It was a good unit. These 6 units would be a little bit different to the rear. They would have had roof decks, which was pretty cool. Ultimately, when you based on the road design, all the extra sewer costs, curb costs, asphalt, excavation, it was just too much. If you look at the construction costs, like the 2 units would not have offset the extra construction costs. So we came up with the linear design, which is my original design, was just 6 on each side with a good turning radius for emergency and garbage removal trucks. Beautiful project. This is going to be about, I think, 14 to 1500 square foot units. The end units might be a little bit larger, 3 stories, which is really cool. Project's going to be about $6.5 million project, and ultimately I might sell it prior to any of the building. I might sell it to a builder that's already tooled to get this off the ground a lot quicker than I can, which is super exciting. And switching gears to the real estate sector of my business, the sales, the buying, selling, we're up to 17 transactions year to date, which is super exciting. We're having a fantastic year. And again, this is individual effort. When I say we, it's just me and my assistant Elisa. And yeah, definitely a great year, even though we're getting bombarded by negative press daily, regarding the Cosmo condo that's just, the builder pulled the plug. I mean, we can't look at it like he was looking, he can't get the financing. He's just looking at it. He's looking at the project that he just sold it too low, that if he waits a couple more years with all the immigration coming in, he could probably double his profit at least, or at least 40 to 50% more profit with the same piece of land, which I guess to him it's more important than money than reputation. So all good. Ultimately, if I gotta be your canary in the mine shaft, we are having a great year. This is a normal year. Last couple years, let's say 2017, very fictional year. To have that much 30% growth from January to April just doesn't make sense. Like someone going to the gym on steroids, they're big today and then floppy tomorrow. It's the exact same thing. We have to look at 2016, scratch out 17, and just look at the 18 market, because this is where we are. We're in a good market. As long as you're not over leveraged, buying over leveraged, and you're getting a good rate from your mortgage agent, you're gonna be fine. No problem at all. That's pretty much it. Ultimately, like I said, if I'm your canary in the mine shaft, we're in a good market. We're selling high and buying low, and we're sniffing out some great deals, even in investment-wise. Like I said, I picked up a few houses myself personally. And again, Warren Buffett says, be fearful when people are greedy, be greedy when people are fearful. And this is a time, I hate to use the word, but you got to be greedy and go out and buy real estate, because ultimately we're going to have 1 million immigrants coming in by 2020. 50% of that will always reside in the Golden Horseshoe, which is our area from Waterloo to Whitby to Aurelia to the Lakeshore. So ultimately 500,000 more people in this area. So buy real estate, get your rentals ready, get them prepped, because we're gonna have a good couple of years. And again, nobody makes money when they sell real estate, they only make it when they buy. So right now we're buying at great deals, and this is where you're gonna make your money. Again, guys, I'm doing a seminar, or not a seminar, sorry, I'm one of the vendors at Mommunity at Valor Community Center this weekend. If you guys pop in, it's an amazing event. A bunch of ladies, some guys, a few of us guys are out just hustling, just trying to meet the community and sell their amazing niche products. And you need to meet the founder of Mommunity, Vanessa. She's super inspiring, always growing, always moving. This is something that someone like myself, I'd like to align with, because that's the type of people we want to be around, that are just keep moving, growing, pushing, which is amazing. Again, guys, happy Monday and have an amazing day. Thanks. Bye-bye.